Greetings, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you around this 2017 F350 powerstroke crew cab short box 1-ton single wheel FX4. That's a lot to say, with the ultimate package. White gold, black leather, big panoramic roof, heated cooled seats, heated back seats, Sync 3, touchscreen navigation, Sony audio. You name it, the truck's got it. It's almost a platinum. One owner, no accidents, stock, factory warranty, or no, excuse me, 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty that we're buying for you. Even has the fifth wheel camera. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. This truck is awesome. There's a good chance that I'm probably driving it, so give us a call if you want to see it before you come in. Awesome truck. Love the color, love the cameras. Great condition. So many options. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.